Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. And if you are new, thanks for coming by. Today I have my March Glossy Box. Pretty early in the month and I'm glad to have it. Let's see what's inside. Glossy Box is a beauty subscription box that is $21 a month, and if you pay for longer periods of time, 3, 6, 9, 12 months, you get it at more reduced prices. It usually has 5 or 6 products in it, some full size, some samples, can go either way. They're interesting products usually because a lot of them are British, so it tends to be brands that we don't necessarily get regularly over here. That makes it kind of fun. Let's get in and see what I've got. This is what the inside of this looks like. All eyes on me. And it's always such a pretty package. They use the little ribbon to tie it up. It has the nice tissue paper, a little seal. And then when we open it, there's our goodies right on top. Well, let's check it out. And our card, yay. You know what? Before I get excited, I was getting ready to get excited. Do we have our information? Yes. I am so glad. It is, I know it's a waste of paper. I know. And I should feel bad as a human being in this world for even talking about resources like this, because save a tree. I'm 99.9% of my life living that. As a YouTuber, it is so much easier when we have the paperwork right in front of us. I know. Please forgive me that. Okay. First out of the box, I have Ciate London Stamp and Drag. I'm not sure what that means. Let's see what this nice paperwork that I now feel slightly guilty about says right here. This says Ciate London Stamp and Drag Liner Duo. Well, we're going to get in here. Cited as the solution for the perfect winged eyeliner, this unique double-ended pen features a perfectly shaped wing stamp plus a precisely pointed tip for the best winged eyeliner of your life. And it says that it is a full-size product and $19. So basically this pays for the cost of the box. This is a real dilemma for me because on one hand, I should probably pass it along because I'm going to stink at doing this. I just know that I am. But on the other hand, I really kind of want to try it. I have such a tiny lid space. You know, not all of this necessarily, but the part where you actually, I mean, when my eyes are open, you almost can't see my lids that are the part that open and close. I have such a small lid space that when I add liner on, like I tight lined today, so I get a little darkness right at the base of my lashes. But when I put a thicker eyeliner on, my eyeshadow on my lid is completely gone when my eyes are open. So I rarely do a wing because it doesn't look like it's coming from anywhere, but yeah, I really want to play with this. So that is what that end looks like. And it's just the nice part that you draw along your lids. And oh, that is what the stamp looks like. No, I'm not messing up my eyes today. I'm going out in a couple hours, so I'm not going to do this on my eyes, but we'll do it on my hand. That's the stamp, just once on my hand. That is so interesting. And then I guess you probably just, that will be here, so then I will just draw across my eyelid. So that is in theory. I'm going to do this and then I'm going to make a video. No matter how it turns out, I'm going to let you guys see how I did it on my eyes. That looks like a little bit of a devil's tail or something. We're just really going to hope that that's not an omen. Okay, next I have Beauty. Basic Beauty. Basic Beauty. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's tweezers. I can always use tweezers. I have some nice Tweezermen, but these look like they're going to be much smaller than that, and I could use a smaller set. Oh, this is very nice. I like it. I like it. I spend a lot of my time plucking. That is what that sounded incredibly rude. That is what they look like, and they are pink. Let's see what the paperwork says about tweezers. Full size. Okay. They're from Basic Beauty, and you can go to Shop Basic Beauty, and they are $6. I should put this against my shirt. They are $6 there. Expertly shape your brows with this classic slant tip tweezer in our favorite color, pink. The perfectly aligned hand-filled tips grab the hair every time for minimal effort and zero discomfort during a shape-up. I love that. I have had tweezers in the past where the tips haven't been good enough to just go in and, well, those will be super handy. I don't think I actually need anything plucked. So I can't try them out. Let's just, oh, well, I got something over there. So perfect. They grabbed something I couldn't even see. That is awesome. I love the size of these. My Tweezermen are way bigger than this. Okay, next I have Crybaby. 2 pouches of, Main Club. And one is Crybaby. That is what that looks like. And the other one is Bad Attitude. Those are both really cute. And they are from Main Club, so I'm going to assume Main, M-A-N-E, that they are hair. When your deep conditioner says repairing, but you're still broken on the inside. 5-in-1 deep conditioner. And the scent is crushed fruit. That is cool. And this one is 5-in-1 deep conditioner. Sorry, I can't hear you over the volume of my hair. Ooh, I hope that that means it's going to give me volume. Scent sweet and spicy. I'm intrigued by that one too. Let's see what the paperwork says. This dynamic duo brings more to the table than attitude with 6 free ingredients. Bye-bye sulfates, parabens, gluten, and other junk. And a mission for hydration. Say hello to volumized, softer hair after only 1 use. $2.99 each. Well, I will for sure be using these soon. I seem to be missing a product because I am down to 1 product and there are still 2. Let me look around. Yep, there are still 2 listed on here. I did not receive the Ico Black Magic Mascara, and it was apparently a deluxe mini worth $14. It was the award-winning Black Magic Mascara is enriched with a botanical shea butter blend to help care for your lashes while giving you intense volume and curl. Yeah, I just didn't get it. Okay, next, Sleek. This says it is full-sized copper plate highlighter palette. Sleek's first all-powder highlighting palette features rich coppers and duotoned gold shades to give you a lit-from-within glow, no matter what your skin tone. $15. Challenge accepted on that, no matter what your skin tone with coppers and golds. It's nice and sealed. Let's open it up. All right, when I open it up, it's got a little bit of, that's what it looks like. It's got a little, see that line right there? It's just a odd sticky glue. I'd say probably from putting the mirror in or something, but it feels really weird. Yeah, I'm not wasting this on me. I know it said for every color and it would be fun to prove them wrong, but those just are not working on me. I hope you guys can see how warm and brown they are. It makes no sense for me to try those out because then I can't pass them on to you guys. And if I close this up right now, having never even taken the plastic off, I can pass it along. Okay, well that is it for my Glossy Box this month. It is not my favorite Glossy Box ever, but I am excited to try this. I am missing the Ico mascara. I love the idea of these nice conditioners. The tweezers worked fantastic. They found things I couldn't even find. And we have this nice sleek highlighter palette that I can pass along. All right, guys, that was a pretty quick one. I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.